Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths.
Hello friends, welcome to Basic Maths. Today's our topic is commutative property. So commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition, it states that a plus b equal to b plus a. Here a and b are belongs to R. So for all a comma b belongs to R. So if we take two real numbers a and b, adding these two real numbers, and the result will be same if changing the order of these two real numbers. This is called commutative property on addition. So let us move to example. So I am taking two real numbers 2 and 5. So here 2 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 2. So 2 plus 5 is also 7 and 5 plus 2 is also 7. So here commutative property a plus b equal to b plus a. So commutative property is a closed operation under addition. Closed operation under addition. So next one is subtraction. Next one is subtraction. So commutative property under subtraction. So first let us see one example. So I am taking same 2 and 5 numbers. Here 2 minus 5 equal to 5 minus 2. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So here minus 3 is not equal to plus 3. So therefore a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. So here commutative property under subtraction is not a closed operation. Is not a closed operation. So next our property is multiplication. Next one is multiplication. So commutative property under multiplication, it states that a into b equal to b into a. So for all a comma b belongs to R. For all a comma b belongs to R. So here I am taking example 2 into 5 equal to 5 into 2. So 10 equal to 10. So therefore commutative property under multiplication is a closed operation. Is a closed operation. So let us see about division. So next one is division. So commutative property under division. So before statement we see one example. So I am taking 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 2. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 2. So here 1 by 2 is not equal to 2. So therefore commutative property under division. So it can be written as a by b is not equal to b by a. So therefore commutative property is not a closed operation. Is not a closed operation. So this is commutative property. So finally we conclude that commutative property is closed under addition. So that is a plus b equal to b plus a, and under multiplication that is a into b equal to b into a. So
Thank you
therefore
for
for all
watching.
a
Please
comma
like,
b
share and
belongs to
subscribe to my
R.
channel.
So this is commutative property on real numbers. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.